We definitely should.
Because the more we visit, the more we can post about them. And that means I need to get those meta glasses. That's just giving me a reason to get the meta glasses. Look at that tree. Look at that tree's shaped.
I saw that.
That's pretty.
That's what I said. That's what
crazy.
he called her a little spider monkey.
Spider monkey. He said, hold on tight, spider monkey.
Hold on tight to our ankles. Shit. A lot going on here.
I haven't seen my little spider friends anywhere.
They're not bad here. Unless we just been running to them yet.
Not that tree shaped like Shamar. Let me stop.